Hello everyone. So I've been working a little bit on the data structure. I think I spent too much time, and so I didn't really advance on the mobile app front end part of it, but it's important to have the good data structure. So yeah, we've got the vocabulary. So we've got a list of vocab. Um, so here it's going to be the word to work. It's a verb. And then we'll associate a list of translation in different languages. And before, what we've been doing, so yeah, this is the tab. So what we've been doing is we had created another tab for translation uh, to match the translation of the word here, but it's not a good idea because anyway, um, so if you've got a French learner learning English, you need um, the the translation the French word translated in English and vice versa. So basically we don't need to create a different translation tab. The translation, it would be just another vocabulary and set in a different language. So vocab. So here we've got to work, so it's linked to those two words. And I've created just a quick sample here. So to work in French is travailler in French. And I've put a word in German. So I've been working on the privacy rules because I was thinking, yeah, if you load all the vocabulary list on the user when you refresh the page or this kind of thing, it's going to use a lot of data. Um, so I was thinking, yeah, I should restrict the access to the vocabulary based on your the user is learning a language. It corresponds to he can see only the vocab he's learning and only see his native language. So I'll store two things on the user, the language he's learning and the his native language. So I will show it. But basically what I was thinking is if I do this, I thought you wouldn't have access to the list of things because basically here if I have like 40 languages to be practiced on my website, then I would have basically 40 translations. So I thought with privacy I could restrict it and have only one item in the list, but actually it doesn't work out like this. So I'll show you I've created a little page to test my thing. Just look at what's above because it's of all test I've put below. So yeah, I forgot to tell you I've created a joining a vocab, so a joint table here. Yeah. So basically, the learner he would have the all the vocab he's been studying would be in a joint table. So basically, uh, we're going to get the vocabulary word, and it shows like this on the front end. Okay, so on the front end, so the word in English is to work, and in French is going to be travailler. And so, because of the privacy rule, I can't see the word in German because of this. So if I tick everything like this and I refresh the page, then I'm going to see the word in German. But anyways, I will always be able to see the ID. So having the privacy is not going to hide the ID from a list. So there's an article actually about it on the forum. So I'm not the only one wondering about this. Because basically I was thinking if the privacy, if I've got like 40 items in the list and because of the privacy I can only see one, I was thinking maybe I can, is it here? Yeah. I would be able to do a current joining vocab first item, and because I only have one item, always get the correct one, but basically I need to filter with the learner's native language to be able to show the translation of the English word is learning. So basically here the learner is learning English and he's getting the translation in his own language. Yep, so this is where we're at right now. I'm going to do some cleaning. Yeah, sorry it's not scripted, those videos, so but yeah, I can't really spend too much time scripting because I need to advance on the challenge. Yeah, anyway, see you in the next video.